Yes, today is Good Friday, and today we remember Bible, Bible. So today is Good Friday, and we will share about the love of God. Okay? Bible, Bible. Today we will share about the love of God. Today is Good Friday. You see here, I will show you. Jesus died on the cross. See? This one. See the cross? Yes. Today is Good Friday. And where's my cross? Here. Jesus loved us and He died to save us so we can go to heaven. So this is the cross. Look at Grandma have a cross. And here also in the Bible, it shows Jesus died on the cross to save us. If we believe in Jesus Christ, we will be saved. Okay? Ayan, no? Diba? Jesus loves Lucas. Yeah. Jesus loves me. Yes, I know. For the Bible tells me so. Little ones to Him belong. They are weak, but here. See? Jesus died. Look. Yeah. On the cross. And Lola, see cross. This is Lola cross. See? Lola also have a cross. See? Huh? And today is Good Friday, Holy Week. So, we remember, that Jesus died on the cross. Okay? Because He loved us. John 3:16 said, for God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whosoever believe in Him should not perish, but have everlasting life. John 3:16. And Jesus loves the little children like Lucas. Is it? Look at that. Huh?